Hi, I'm Kim and I'm with the Auto Builder. I'm here at the SEMA show, here with my friend Chris, E3 booth, and we all know E3 is known for their spark plugs, but Chris is here to tell us today they carry a whole line of batteries, lithium-ion batteries. Chris, tell us about your product.
Thanks, Kim. So, as everybody knows, lithium batteries are super lightweight, and ours is no exception to that. This battery here has 1,200 cranking amps in just 7.5 pounds. With something like that, you're gonna be able to start almost any 4-cylinder, V6, and smaller V8s that are on the market today.
I noticed there's an American flag here, and you have a battery management system that not all batteries have. Tell us a little more about that.
Correct. So right here in the top of the battery, it's the BMS, which is the battery management system. That helps keep the cells healthy, balanced, and it has a wide variety of protections from short circuit protection, over discharge, overcharge, low voltage, anything to make sure that we're keeping the battery safe and that it'll last a long time, which is why we offer it with a 5-year warranty.
So what other applications do you offer?
We have a full line of batteries from power sports as well as racing. So on the power sports side, we've got a lot of the V-twins from Indian to Harley-Davidson, and then as well as the metric bikes, Yamaha, Suzuki, etc., as well as ATV, UTV, jet skis, really anything that you can think of. We've got a battery that'll likely fit for you.
So Chris, where can people purchase this?
You can visit our website, e3sparkplugs.com. We sell direct, and definitely check out our socials as well, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok.
For more videos like this, go to theautobuilder.com.